Welcome to another Balluff product video. Balluff is a full-line cable and connectivity provider. We offer a diverse connectivity portfolio to meet all of today's automation demands at all levels in the plant. Our solutions are tailored for a wide variety of industries and applications, including welding, stamping, food, and automation. We have M12 sensor and power cables, M8 sensor and actuator cables, and even M5 sensor and actuator cables. But wait, there's more. We have Y-splitters, T-splitters, M8 and M12 sensor and actuator cables, M8 and M12 high durability and actuator cables, bulkhead connectors, M8 and M12 receptacles. We have mini receptacles in 7/8 inch and 1 1/8 inch, M23 receptacles, and that's not all. We have M8 junction blocks, M12 junction blocks, field bus cables, Ethernet cables, half-inch AC and actuator cables, M12, M16, and M23 home run cables, M8 field attachables. We have M12 field attachables, DIN A, DIN B, DIN C, sensor and actuator cables, 7/8 inch mini size cables, 2-inch and 1 1/8 inch mini size cables. We have 1/2 inch AC and 7/8 inch field attachables. We have M23 field attachables, and we have bulk cables. We are Balluff, and we can meet your connectivity needs. Learn more at www.balluff.com.